Before we will jump right into the tutorial, I want to make a short introduction. If you need any help of me and my team, then please don't hesitate to contact us. We will help you with any technical problems with your website. Below this video you'll find our contact details. See you soon. Bye.
Hi, in this tutorial we're going to show you how to upload an image into your WordPress post or page. First off, you need to just log into your dashboard in the usual way with your username, password. We have a website set up. It's in demo stage now. We're going to just reveal that to show you our standard 2012 theme homepage. It has the lorem ipsum Greek text in there, which is pretty standard to fill a page. And so we're going to add images to this this home page. First thing I do is, part of WordPress is it tends to put in my opinion, a medium-sized image at too small. So I usually bump that up to 500 pixels. And that's under Settings, Media. Just make your medium-sized image option 500. It's up to you, of course, but this is what I prefer. In our pages, we're going to find our home page. You can, of course, add images to posts in the same way, but these are your blog posts. But we're going to do the home page, which is right here, and you'll see the Greek text, which is all the same here. Now, sometimes WordPress will just show you one row of icons. You have to click this last one to show Hide Kitchen Sink, which reveals a second row. I'm not sure why WordPress does it, but always pop that open, it catches people out. So we're going to add media. We're going to position our cursor where we want the image. Add the media. We have an image already up on the server, which is the beach toys. We could put this one in. Thumbnail, medium, full size. But we're not going to. We're actually going to upload a file. We've got one here. Now it has selected both images. We don't want to put both images into the post, so we're going to uncheck beach toys, and you can see that the information on the right is for that. Reveals baby hand, and it shows the original file name. Now you need to change this. Every image on your server in your WordPress media library needs to be named correctly. The title is important because it allows WordPress to search. If you're looking for a specific image in your thousands of images and you just don't know where it is, it will search and it will look inside the title for that word. So always name your images. The second reason I will show you once the image goes into the page. So we're going to call this baby hand. The caption is what appears under the image in the page, so it's visible to the web page viewer. Hey, who's this? Will appear underneath the image. And the alt text is important because it tells the browser what the image is about, and it helps screen readers describe the image to people who are visually impaired. So we put baby hand photo into their alt text. The description is more of a personal amendment to the file for your use only, so we might just put photo of newborn in 2012. Down here we can add an image which is already aligned, but we can put it in at none. We'll change it once it's in. It can link to, sometimes it goes in, it links to itself by default, which I tend to think is unusual and not really needed. But you can link to a larger file. Maybe you're putting a thumbnail in and you want to link through to a larger image. If you upload a PDF, it also needs to have a link to itself. Excuse me, which I tend to just put none. You can link to a web page as well if you want to, but I tend to put none in here. You put a thumbnail in, medium size, full size, you get your 3 image choices. I'll just put this image in at medium size with no alignment, not linking anywhere, and it's all described and got correct text in here. So I'm going to insert that into the page. There she is with our tagline, our caption. One thing I've noticed about WordPress is it tends to forget the title. I don't know why, but it might just be a small bug that needs to be fixed, but I have to put this back in. So now we have our title, our alt text and our caption with no description, it's not needed, no alignment. We're going to put it in. So we have our tagline, which is right here under the image. We're going to update that. And I'll show you what that looks like in the page. There it is, nicely aligned in between the paragraph with "Hey, who's this?" underneath. Looks good. When I roll over, I get the title. There it is. So it's showing up to the user in the yellow box. That's another reason why it's important. It tells the people what that is or what you've written in there. So we'll pop back here. We're going to align this image. I'll show you the different alignments. We're going to click on the image. You get your two icons. We're going to align it to the left. The text flows around it. We'll update that. There's our text. You can imagine what it will look like on the page. Shortens the page and makes the paragraph part of the image. We can also click on it and push it to the right as well if we want to. And we could also make it a little bit smaller just to allow some of the text to display better. So we could put it on that side and let the text flow around it, a little bit more readable. There she is on the right hand side. We'll also put into the post a beach toys photo. I think I might put this in. So we'll click on our beach toys, I'll put it in a medium size, insert into page, no caption on that one. I'm also going to put in the thumbnail. Put in the image again, put it in as a thumbnail, insert into page, and there she is. So we've got three images in our page, different alignments, different sizes. You can have fun with that. You can make the page look nice to the user, make it interesting visibly or visually. And that page now has some image attachments to it. Hope you enjoyed it. See you next time.
I hope you liked the tutorial, and if you have any problems with this, you can contact me and my team below this video. So check the links below. See you soon.